Limitations of the case study method. According to social scientists and research developers, they suggested some limitations to analyze about the data through this case study method. Limitations of the case study method: cannot generate the results to the wider population. This case study method can be applicable one event or small number of group or very less number of people. So this cannot be applicable larger number of people. So limited oriented. This case study method is limited. So this cannot be applied to larger number of population. And one more limitation is researchers' own subjective feeling may be influenced in this case study method. A researcher can apply subjective feeling influence may be used in this case study method. Suppose, for example, very less information may be gathered by the scholar. In this purpose, he will explain this data through his subject knowledge, and subject influence may be narrated in this case study method. That is also one of the limitation. Difficult to replicate. That is also one of the limitation. Time consuming. Case study method is time consuming. It takes so much time to narrate the data. That is also one of the limitation. It requires maximum days to collect original samples from the incident area or event area, and this is usually tied to a broader critique of quantitative research methods as qualitative research method as a whole. This was treated as generally qualitative methods in the form of definition, meaning, scope and importance. So there is no possibility to apply a quantitative type of data collection method in this case study method. So that is also one of the limitation. Reliability of various forms of single case study analysis. This reliability is applicable to the single case study, one case, one incident, one occasion, one problem analysis possible in this case study method. These are limitations of the case study method.